Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial Monopoly Go released a different event. Now this event is a price drop right here, and I'm going to show you the best strategy for it. Now it's a very easy process, just simply follow my steps and let's get straight into it. Now the Thanksgiving event has passed and now the price drop event is here. Now you can earn tokens like these. Now how do you earn these tokens? You earn these tokens by completing the event in the top of your screen, like the bows and bandits, or simply doing the daily wins right here. As you can see, I have a prize to claim, and if I claim it, as you can see, I'll receive tokens, and with these tokens I can play the price drop. Now let me show you how to actually play the price drop in just a second. Now once you're inside the price drop, here you get a little animation, and from there the price drop opens up. Now you have a couple of options here. You can choose the wheel right here, the options, but the most important part is right here where the prizes appear. Now if we click it, you can see that it gives us some rewards, and here you can see that I need a lot more for the next item. Right here is the present. Now we do this by the chip drop, so simply use this to go in here, and every chip we drop we get a +4, but the thing is we get +50 if we complete this bumper right here. So the best strategy is to focus on the bumpers right here to actually earn more prizes. Now we do this by increasing the chip drop, and right here go for this one, for example, and as you can see it goes for the bumper almost, but here you can try to hit the bumpers and so earn a lot more prizes, and that's the best strategy for this event. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.